Hello everyone, welcome to the XoroERP Convert Liability to Bill tutorial. We're going to go over in this guide how to convert a liability to a bill. So let's pull up the module here. And typically your liabilities can be created when you reconcile an item and you want to put your shipping charges as liabilities, and then you want to convert them afterwards separately to bills. So in that case, they're going to end up in this module right here. So what we can do is select whichever one we want to convert and just click on Convert to Bill. And you can make your edits in this line right here. So you can change the date of the bill that will get generated, the amount. You can choose a partial billing amount, or you can go all the way to 315 here. Choose your store and AP, accounts payable. So let's go ahead, save, and create the bill from the liability. Click OK, and there we go. The bill has been generated from the liability.